What the hell? Put the camera away. So today, we're making a theory out of like sneaking in snacks at a movie theater from the outside world. So lately, we've seen a lot of Snapchat videos, maybe like on Twitter or even on social media like Instagram, people sneaking in food or having some fake craft to look pregnant.
So
we want to know.
Main theory that we're gonna try out is a fake belly, pregnant belly that Aurelio's gonna wear.
No, this girl.
And we're gonna see how well that theory works.
We're gonna see how good your local theater does with security. I don't know.
We found it.
9 months.
Real.
Guys,
I call this one the Beyonce status. What the hell? Put the camera away.
So we were joking around once we do this. What if we're like paying for our tickets and like her whole belly just falls down?
this is actually like pretty,
Imagine
like,
she's like in the middle, and then me and Alexis are just gonna take off running.
Yeah, if your belly falls out, we're gonna run.
We're gonna
one thing I'm like scared of is like when we're at the theater and I have to like pick out the snacks. Like I don't know how we're gonna do that.
You know, it's kind of contradicting that we're trying to save money by doing this, but we just spent $10.
No, this better be worth it because I spent $10 on this. Just
Hey,
this.
but if this works, we're gonna be saving money because this was $14 one time.
The belly is too big, so we're gonna say that they're twins. If anything happens, it's twins, and one's a boy, one's a girl.
Yeah.
And
Does this look real though?
I mean, I thought it'd look real, but maybe it is a little too big.
It's twins.
Made it to the dollar store.
Step 2, snacks.
Cute. Oh my
Not me, but snacks.
Well, you can tell by the way I use my walk. I'm a woman's man, no time to talk. The music loud, women walk, being kicked around since I was born. Never tolerate, that's okay. And you may look the other way, but we can try to understand and do your time.
Wait, okay, so
Pregnant
the
woman.
goal is to just bring. The goal is just to bring as many snacks as we can, right?
It's not about satisfying the
I think I have to pee.
prego.
Can I get a manager to the front, please?
Oh, that's
We're in
for you.
trouble.
Okay guys, so we need to come up with a plan. I obviously need a wardrobe change, look more pregnant, because right now we were at the dollar store buying the candy and stuff. And I dropped my phone and I was calling these guys to help me pick up my phone because I didn't want to take out the belly and pick it up, and I couldn't pick it up with the belly. And then some lady at the dollar store, they were just looking at me, trying to struggle, like they didn't even ask if I could need help. Anyway, not my point. They, when we left, when we were walking by them, the girl's like, it's fake.
Like that.
She called my baby fake.
You can't just call somebody's baby fake. Anywho, we're gonna get her new wardrobe. So I found my brother at the gas station, and
What is it?
Yeah, you can touch. It's kicking right now.
Oh my goodness, it's only a soccer play.
Does it look real or fake?
I thought it would actually look like you were pregnant. Is this your child?
Say hi to Cheeto Ritz Sour Snicker Jr.
Oh, I love that name.
It's original.
Very good.
My child!
oh, you scared me.
First of all, what has this video turned into?
I think we're having way too much fun.
Okay, so the main purpose of this video, just as a reminder, we're pretty much just trying to sneak in candy because honestly, a lot of the movies I've gone to, like, they never check anymore. So we're just gonna see how much candy and stuff we can
It's gonna suck if the one movie time a year.
that they check.
We made it.
We made it. And then look, just in case you guys didn't.
every day.
Yo, what up? What's up, Franklin? We got the road.
We got the big.
Sour Patch Kids and Finding Moon.
You forgot about those.
We got these bad boys right here. So
Hey,
it's
but
gonna be a dope movie.
we did buy a drink.
You gotta sell.
We gotta sell it.